Every year, a lot of phones try to impress us, but only a few actually shock us. And then there's the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, a device so unapologetically extra, so brutally overpowered, so loaded with tech flexing that it honestly feels like Xiaomi designed it just to prove a point. You look at the specs once, and your brain goes, hold up, is this even real? A 7,500 milliamp hour battery? A 2.7-inch rear OLED display? A Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 running like it's on pre-workout? Charging that fills the phone faster than you fill your water bottle? And a display brightness so insane you could probably tan with it? But hey, before we go all the way in, hit that subscribe button for tips and tech, drop a like, and share this video so we can keep making tech videos that actually tell you the truth. Inside the box, Xiaomi keeps it refreshingly complete. The phone wrapped in a soft matte sheet, a transparent TPU case, a huge 100-watt fast charger, a premium USB-C cable, SIM tool, paperwork, and yes, screen protector already applied on both front and rear displays. No eco excuses, no charger removal nonsense, just a proper unboxing experience like it should be. All right, let's talk about this monster. Number 1, design. Big, bold, and totally self-aware. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max walks into the room like it knows it's the main character. It's a big device, no lies here, but the funny thing? It doesn't feel uncomfortable. Xiaomi absolutely nailed the weight distribution. Even at 219 grams, it's surprisingly easy to handle. Not iPhone brick heavy, not Samsung slippery, just a good, confident grip. The frame is premium aluminum, smooth edges, soft curves, no cheap vibes anywhere. And then, boom, you flip the phone and see the rear OLED display. Listen, when I first saw it, I thought it was another TikTok gimmick. But this thing is actually useful. Want to take a selfie with the main camera? Done. Want a cute live wallpaper on the back? Easy. Want to check time, weather, battery? Instant. Want bright visuals outdoors? It hits 3,500 nits, same as the front. It's weird, it's practical, and honestly, that's the sweet spot. Colors, white, pink, green, black, all clean, all premium. Number 2, display. A portable eMax screen. The main display is wild. 6.9-inch crystal AMOLED, 1.5K resolution, 3,500 nits peak brightness. LTPO 1 to 120 Hz, re-engineered pixel layout, beautiful color accuracy. Outdoor visibility is almost comical. This phone doesn't just fight sunlight, it dominates it. Dragon Crystal Glass, better than Gorilla Glass. Instead of Gorilla Glass, Xiaomi uses Dragon Crystal Glass 3 on both sides. Compared to Gorilla Glass Victus 2, up to 20 to 25% stronger against drops, better scratch resistance, less shattering on corners, higher flexibility. Number 3, performance. Powerful and proudly power-hungry. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 drives this device. It's stupidly powerful. Instant app switching, zero hesitation in heavy tasks, faster GPU than many PC laptops, AI processing that feels next-gen. But to be honest, this chip is hungry. It wants a big battery and serious cooling. Thankfully, the Pro Max has both. Number 4, heating, the reality check. Let's keep it real. Under heavy gaming or long video recording, the phone heats up. Not mild, noticeable. The good news? The large body and triple vapor cooling keep temps more stable than the smaller models, and it cools down fast once pressure drops. Gaming fans might want a cooling accessory for marathon sessions. Number 5, storage and connectivity. UFS 4.1 storage, super fast. Up to 1 terabyte option. Smooth file handling. Wi-Fi 7 plus strong connectivity. Only weird part, USB speed is limited to 5 gigabits/second, which feels outdated for a flagship, but not a deal breaker. Number 6, battery. The 7,500 milliamp hour superpower. This is where Xiaomi slapped physics. The 7,500 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery is insane. 24 hours moderate use, 35% left. 34 hours mixed use, 8% left. 100 watts fast charging, 0-100% in 20 mins. 50 watts wireless charging, reverse wireless too. This battery makes the whole device make sense. All that power? Fully supported. Number 7, camera, triple 50 megapixel madness. Main clean, sharp, excellent HDR. Telephoto 5x optical and 10x hybrid. Stunning clarity, great portraits. Ultra wide, good quality, but tighter than most flagships. Video 8K capable, strong stabilization, solid night video. Selfies. Using the rear screen's main sensors equals the best natural selfie experience on any phone. Number 8, gaming. Raw power with real heat. Genshin Impact 55 to 60 FPS, some dips, heavy heat. PUBG New State stable 90 FPS, smooth. COD Mobile up to 120 FPS, excellent feel. Retro rear screen games, light, fun, nostalgic. Verdict, power 1010, heat 610, battery 1010 10. Pros and cons. Pros, massive 7500 milliamp hour battery, insanely bright displays, rear display that's actually useful, best selfie setup in the industry, top-tier performance, gorgeous design, 100-watt fast charging, durable dragon crystal glass. Cons, it heats under heavy load, ultra-wide lens too tight, USB speed downgrade, rear notifications limited. Final verdict. If you want a predictable, boring flagship, skip it. But if you want a phone that feels futuristic, powerful, playful, bold, and genuinely different, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is the most exciting flagship of the year. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. This is Tips and Tech, signing off.